Hey YouTube, these are some pickups I got right after work. I stopped at an estate sale and I got there about 30 minutes before it started, so I was in line and I was probably number 3 in line. So I ended up picking this stuff. Everything I'm going to show you costs $6. So I have a hearse shifter. That's probably a $30, $20 to $30 item. So like I said, everything costs $6. The jewelry she had at 2 for $1. So this is actually 14 karat gold, a Navistar service pin, and I looked up comparables. It's like these sell for around $35 to $40. And this is a 10 karat gold pin. Wyman's 10-year service. It's probably a $20 to $30 piece. And then this Elgin pocket watch. I did pop the back off and it's gold filled, so it's not solid gold. But it is running, and I'm not sure why the tape is on there. But it's probably a $20 to $30 pocket watch. And new in the package, not sure if there's a promotional item for Baraxo, but new in the package, a little die-cast race car from 1975 or 1976. And then probably the coolest piece was this. It is actually from 1866, and it's a medal for a soldier that was in the Civil War. So it's from Brooklyn. And there are similar ones on eBay. There's one right now for $99 without the other pieces. And then if it did have the pin and the other parts to it, they're asking in the hundreds. But yeah, this was 50 cents. And like I said, it's actually from 1866. It's authentic. So these are my pickups today. Remember, if you guys like my videos, just like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.